Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word uninterruptedly. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The train ride from Paris to Amsterdam went uninterruptedly, with no delays or stops along the way. The word uninterruptedly means continuously, without any breaks or interruptions, implying a smooth and consistent flow without any gaps or disruptions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.